Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navamita Debhomik, Head of the Department of Political Science. I welcome you to this vibrant community of a politically aware citizenry of India. Our department offers dual programs in both the bachelor's and master's level in political science and international relations, as well as public administration and government. What does the program of political science and international relations cater to? We have papers on political theories, comparative politics, foreign policy, diplomacy, etc., which basically caters to those who need or who want to have more ideas on how to serve the government in India as well as abroad. What are the papers do we cover under both these programs? Our programs usually cater to the concepts of political thought in both India as well as the West, political theories, and also foreign policy of India as well as the major powers. And for public administration and governance, we cover everything that you will be finding in the UPSC syllabus, because we actually train the students to sit for these exams and come out with flying colors. Political science as a subject is treated in a little different manner in our department, because here we encourage an exchange of ideas. For example, student exchange program with the public universities in Europe. We also have mock UN. And currently we are thinking of a debate competition where people from inter-university will be participating for this competition. The foreign language component, on the other hand, enables the student to understand as to how India is going to conduct its business with foreign countries, with French being one of the most spoken foreign language all over the world. The program of public administration and governance, on the other hand, is meant exclusively for those people who wants to pass the government exams like UPSC as well as WBCS with flying colors. Kindly note that this program is for the first time launched in Eastern India in Adamas University, where it serves the purpose of making the students clear their graduation and also qualify for sitting for these exams, where graduation is a must. Our papers are meant to cater to those who want to become politically aware citizens of India, diplomats, civil servants for that matter, and most importantly, serve the society. So what are you waiting for? Join us and be a part of this politically aware community of citizens of India in Adamas University. Thank you.